Hi everybody, welcome to 2025. This is Jeff Costello, the sales manager down here at Bobby Combs RV Center in Yuma, Arizona. And today I want to take you into one of our brand new 25 Cardinal fifth wheels. This guy has a mid bunk and it will sleep 9 people in this guy. It's a great unit for you. You want to come check this thing out? We've got a really nice bunk room in here that'll sleep 5 in the bunk room. You've got 2 upstairs, you've got 3 downstairs. It would be able to sleep here. You've got a little workstation for the kids to work on their computers and do their homework. This is a great unit for 2025. You guys want to come check this out down here in Yuma, I promise you, you will not be disappointed.